Okay, so this is 2014 question 6 on paper 2. So what we're going to do here is we're going to construct the incircle. Okay, so there's going to be a centroid in this triangle, and that's going to be your radius of your circle. So show all your construction lines clearly. Okay, so first thing you want to do, so for an incircle, you're just going to have to remember this. Okay, so you have to bisect the angles. Okay, so if you remember how to bisect the angles, so you get your compass and you want to make sure that you're going a little bit more than halfway of your sides. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw an arc here and I'm going to draw an arc there. And what you need to do then is go to the new point, go to the new arc that you've drawn and draw another arc and then draw another arc again. Okay, so you can see they just barely met there. So I'm just going to extend it just to make sure that that is where they meet. Okay, and by doing that, what you're doing is you're creating the points so that you can bisect your angle. So now I can easily join that point up to the angle or point B there. So that's going to bisect my angle here for B. Okay, so I've bisected that angle. So when you're drawing the incircle, you have to bisect at least 2 of those sides. Okay, so I'm just going to go to point A here and do the same thing. So I'm just going to bisect, draw an arc here again, draw an arc here again. Okay, and draw another arc and draw another arc. Okay, so all you do again is join A onto the 2 points there that intersect from your 2 arcs that you've drawn. Make sure that you line them up as best as you can. And there we go. Okay, so that means that I've bisected 2 of my angles here. Bisected A and I've bisected B. You can do C as well if you want, but you don't have to. 2 angles should be enough. Okay, so what you're trying to do now is to draw an incircle. So it's going to be on the inside. So you want to get the radius. So that's why I'm just moving the radius of the compass, just the width of it. So all I'm doing here is I'm just shrinking it in. So I have the needle on the centroid there on the middle. Oh, and you can see this is moving, so just line it up again. Doesn't matter at this point. And just tighten it up again. Put your needle on the center. Open up your compass. You can see, right, that is my radius here for my circle. Just going to check that it goes here and check that it goes here. Okay, and all you do now is you draw your circle as best as you can inside of your triangle. Okay, you can see I'm not holding the pencil, I am just twisting it along. Okay, if it goes a tiny bit outside, don't worry about it, but you want it to look as best as you can like this. Okay, and you get full marks for that. So you can see I've drawn all the arcs to show them bisecting the lines, draw my arcs there to show that I'm going to join this up to bisect the angles, and I've repeated that for the other side. Then they're asking you for part 2 to measure the length of the radius of the circle constructed in part 1. So to get the radius then, pick actually a line that's already drawn, just makes it a little bit easier. And you can see that that's just bang on 3.5 there. So it's 3.5 centimeters.